Hello everyone. Today is an episode of LEGO in real life. A total of 10 examples have been prepared. If you think the first one is just a simple door, then you are sorely mistaken. In fact, it's a simple door with a lock. The locking mechanism is the same as a door bolt. The lock naturally requires a key. Just like in real life. Turn the key, and the door opens. These are luxury cars for the high ground. How can we let them be exposed to the wind and sun? So we need to build a garage for them with LEGO. Can you guess the function of these light panels? Connect them together. Then use round parts to achieve the function of a roller shutter door. Let's take a look at the effect of the finished product. Of course, the garage door can't be opened manually every time.
So install a motor to achieve the effect of automatic opening and closing.
You must have seen this tool in real life. Friends who know the name can type the name in the comments or bullet comments.
Use LEGO shock absorbing parts to achieve a rebound effect. Install 2 claws at the front.
Do you think it's done? Assume detail.
I will also add 2 plastic parts to increase friction. Now let's test the effect with a LEGO part.
Next is the adjustable computer desk.
First, use the screw parts to make the lifting structure.
Cover it with a layer of protective parts. Put another section on the outside.
Turn on the motor to achieve the lifting effect.
Then I'll put on my monitor. Perfect. LEGO comes to life. Next is the treadmill. The principle is very simple. Now you can run while watching the video of Legoland. The 6th application is brake pads. This LEGO part is indispensable here. Use it to make a brake disc.
Install the motor and chain.
This simulates the effect of brake pads by hand.
Then it's the pneumatic device's turn.
Turn on the start switch.
The brake disc tightens to achieve the braking effect.
Next, this application needs to use multiple motors. After combining them together,
it outputs maximum power. The outside of the motor is completely enclosed.
The upper layer uses transparent parts. Now you know what it's used for, right? Look at the speed of these blades. Plus a spoonful of distant parts.
Let's see the effect. What do you think of this idea?
The next 2 are both LEGO sets. First is the twister. In normal condition, you can't twist the knob. At this time, you need to insert a coin. Now you can turn the knob. You get a Gashipan coin. It's equivalent to the key of the knob. This is a design by a LEGO master. The next set is also designed by a LEGO master. The structure inside is a stroke of genius. Using one knob, you can achieve the grabbing of the trash can. Lift well and up. Then it can be automatically put down.
Just by one lever to achieve the flip of the trash bins.
Finally, we've reached the last application.
First, use parts to create a sliding door.
Then add mechanical devices on both sides.
Then, use a motor to achieve automatic opening of the sliding door.
Have you guessed what this is yet? That's right. It's an elevator.
Now, let's make a lifting mechanism.
Then build a 2-story automated elevator for the minifigures.
Finished.
Get it?
Do you know of any other examples of LEGO coming to life?
You can share them with everyone in the comments. Remember to support Play LEGO.
See you next time.